Viewers, I found out why this tweeter wasn't working. I went on some forums and I found a wire can be badly soldered, or just for some reason fatigue. This is very heavy, you have to be very careful here. Look them carefully, I have a break in my wire. You can see there, it's actually broken. Well, you can see there the wire's actually been tinned from factory, but it's popped like a fuse. And it just momentarily reconnected that, and the tweeter works absolutely fine. You can see the negative there, that wire there, it's broken. I find that quite unusual. What it broke just like that? What caused that? But I just momentarily reconnected and it's working again, so I'm going to fix that. Very nice speakers. Man, they sound good. Fixing this up permanently, it's going to sound more balanced and better. I'm going to have to very carefully lay this down, just working out with a soldering iron. I think just carefully get in there with some solder and reconnect that. Gee, a delicate operation, but at least I know it's fixable. As I said, I reconnected it momentarily and the tweeter worked beautifully. So, it's not a major issue, which is a good. It's a good, I'm happy. Well, okay, well someone's actually repaired this before. This wire here is not original. That's poor soldering. That's fatigued. It's like a fuse to stop it from blowing. That's a good idea. There's little bits here, see? Very delicate. So I'll have to re-solder that and extend these two wires. Extend them about 6 mil longer. You see there? That's the tweeter itself, which is all luckily glued nice together. It's hold solid, so I'm going to have to extend these little two wires here. So I go on my shed, look for some scrap copper wire and extend these two wires with a soldering iron. Maybe about 10 mil longer to be safest. And I can re-solder that. That is very easy to fix. Look at those enclosures, they're sealed too. Separate from this one. Okay, let's go to my wire stash and we'll find some bits of wire, copper wire that thin, to fix this up with. Pretty easy fix, luckily. Let's fix this up properly. Make it reliable again so it can actually have freedom to move a little bit there. So it's just probably because of old age. Easy fix. Easy fix. Delicate operation there. Fixed it. It was damn difficult. Damn, it's difficult. Swearing and cursing like a motherfucker. I just could not solder it. So what I've ended up doing to fix it, I've just sacrificed some blown speaker. I just unwound some of this voice coil, about twice the thickness of that voice coil wire. So I unwound some of this voice coil wire, but I just cannot solder it. I tried flux, it held, but as soon as I moved the wire to tape it down and secure it, it snapped. So I got them really clean, twisted them together carefully, and just held some electrical tape and just held it together with heaps of electrical tape. So that's holding it together quite well. You cannot solder these things. You just can't solder it. But it's working. Hear that? Hiss. It's working quite well. Awesome. So yeah, so I've read it on some forums. You can get wires that break like that on tweeters that are that old. It's common for some speakers to do that. If you just touch the terminals on the speaker and just get them to reflow, that can fix it too. But in this case, the wire was somehow just fatigued and blew like a fuse for some unknown reason. It happens sometimes, but I've just cleaned the wires up, just taped them together with some good quality electrical tape, because I just cannot solder them. You can't solder wires that thin. That's the only drawback. Same sort of wiring that when you do on IF cans and old valve radios. Little tiny wire like that, it's impossible to solder. Only drawback. So instead of playing with the wires at the point they snapped off from inside the under the modeler, I just said, no, don't worry about it. I'll just give up there and just tape them up really good. It's a very secure, solid connection in there, so it's not going to move. It's in a secure and non-movable, not going to suffer any mechanical moving, so It's fixed. That should last for years. Awesome. Now these will sound balanced. That was the only fault with this, just that tweeter. Anyway, I can enjoy these now. Just listen to some good old tunes on these speakers, and they do sound awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching.